convenience has quietly become an addiction. Why step out for everyday essentials when a quick e commerce app can drop them at your door in 10 minutes? But in the rush to make life easier, there is something we are not noticing. In the name of convenience, we may be buying health hazards too. That is exactly why Times Now Digital is running a consumer rights protection campaign, asking quick commerce platforms to be fair and transparent with their customers. In the last two editions, we examined the indifferent response shown by some quick commerce platforms to these concerns when Times Now Digital confronted them. Times Now Digital got in touch with these leading quick e-commerce platforms to understand their version of the issue. Blinkit and Amazon sought a 48-hour deadline for responding to the queries. And even after an extension of another 48 hours, these players did not give any response on the matter. You can find the link to that video here. Let me tell you, so far there has been no response to these consumer safety questions. We got in touch with some loyal customers of quick commerce platforms to find out whether they had run into transparency issues recently or in the past and whether these problems kept recurring. One regular user pointed to what they described as another major concern. In a recent case investigated by us, a customer in Delhi NCR ordered vegetables from Zepto and noticed that the carrots appear lighter than expected. Upon weighing them, the pack measured 196 grams despite being listed as 200 to 300 grams. Curious, the customer weighed the remaining vegetables and found similar discrepancies. According to the customer, onions listed at 900 grams weighed 859, tomatoes listed at 500 weighed 460, and a pack of cucumber at 500 to 600 grams weighed 490. While you may say it is a discrepancy of just a few grams, however, the larger point here is the erosion of trust from customers. Let us multiply these few missing grams by millions of customers across India, and the staggering figure will point an accurate picture. You see, when the issue was raised with the platform and after several exchanges of messages and images, another problem came to light. The customer was unable to upload the images directly to the platform due to an error. This too was flagged to the support executive, which ultimately led the customer to email the images to the Zepto support team. After a long discussion lasting for about 25 minutes, the company offered a refund of Rs 45. This is not the first time a quick commerce customer has faced such an issue. Several people have come forward on social media with similar complaints about the weights of fruits and vegetables, including other platforms such as Swiggy Instamart, Blinkit, Amazon, among others. Keep watching this space as we move ahead to trace everyday challenges faced by customers in dealing with these e-commerce platforms.